As you can see here, these had the spring spacers in them. Had the car jacked up like 30 feet in the air, looking like a truck. Can't have a Mustang truck, you know what I'm saying? Mustangs are Mustangs, baby. Low and sporty. We don't need that jacked up look. All right, so we got some stock springs right here. Anybody want them, let me know. Let me know. I may not do the front ones today because can barely see them in there, like so jacked up. They're yellow though. If you see anything yellow, that's where they are. Man, that thing is low. Thing is low, boys. Thing is low, boy. We haven't done the front yet, but you can see the difference. We've done the back.
What are you looking for, buddy?
I'm over here making a video of
What? You got a license to do that? It ain't
Yeah.
X-rated, is it? That's good.
Yeah,
Man,
so
that thing's sitting low, ain't it?
listen, the front is what I'm worried about.
Yeah,
'Cause it
speed
got-
bump and it tear that whole motherfucking thing.
Bro.
You gotta see this kid's Honda down there. Is that man? He ain't got no clearance. I said,
No
how
clearance.
the fuck you drive this thing? That's
Must
what
not
you
stay
gotta
in
worry
the-
about, ain't you? Hit
Yeah,
shit.
that's the only
They
thing.
tear that whole thing off. won't it?
See, Tucker says that we can chop it off
Yeah.
and then re-fiberglass
Oh,
it.
you just put it on?
Right. I mean, well, he said that he could chop it up and redo it. You know, if it's like, cause it's supposed to lower 1.5 inches, so 1.5 inches from right here, I'd say probably be about right here. So it's definitely gonna scrape over anything.
Pretty good, though.
Hell yeah, definitely, man. But I don't want him to chop off some of that bumper though, cause I want to
You mean
paint.
on the very bottom?
Not at the very bottom, because my ultimate goal is once this is painted black, I want to do this red right here.
Oh, I got you. Yeah,
So-
give it some flair, man.
Yeah, you see how the new Dodge Challengers and the Hellcats
Yeah.
look? Oh, bro. Just have to give you another angle. Yeah, boy.